Hmm.
Well, that'll do that. What was that? Look at all your toys. What do you want to play with first?
That's a happy puppy butt.
I can wear this one.
It's okay. See, thank you.
You want one of these? Oh, these smell really good.
I think that's a happy puppy.
Sit. Hey. Sit.
Pat.
Shake. Shake. Down. Go to the couch.
Over the couch.
Shake. Down. Sit.
You gave him a whole one?
Yeah.
That's why he's so happy.